that can help their company succeed.
But we've learned over the years that there are many more risks that a company faces than just the financial risks. And if you're to manage them appropriately, you need someone who's got the big picture, who understands what the company's all about, understands all the risks and threats and opportunities that are represented by their activities. And so we want to help educate, train, and credential folks who can take that big picture view and help the entire enterprise succeed.
I think the CERA designation gives an actuary a lot of potential opportunity for their career. Certainly qualifies them as a great risk analyst, a great evaluator of risk, a way to put solutions and risk management into place at a company. It makes you stand out, I think, as an expert in your field.
All of our CERAs go through a professionalism course. We want to stress the fact that as part of the actuarial profession, CERAs are held to our code of conduct, our standards of practice,